Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Mobilife long selfie stick with the reinforced 64 inches tripod stand. Let's dive in. So guys, let's unbox this. I've already actually unboxed this and after 1 month I'm doing this review. Okay. So here we get this mount we get. From here you can put your other accessories. This is 1/4 inches screw. Okay. So this is what we get. Plus one more thing we get. So we get this tripod stick user manual. So in this user manual, nothing is there like some usage method is there. Okay. And how to fix and everything. So this is what you get. So then you get this. This is the main product. Selfie stick come tripod. Okay. This is how you can open this. Okay. And here you can mount your mobile. Okay. Like this. You can fit your mobile like this over here. Okay. And take a video or the selfie. So here I will mount my mobile over here to this selfie stick. Okay. So this is how you can mount your mobile and you can take your selfie. So one more cool feature this one has is this one comes with this remote. Mobilife comes with a remote. Okay. It's a Bluetooth enabled remote. Okay. So you have to just press this button. Okay. Once you press this button, your Bluetooth on your mobile, if it is activated, will get connected. So I'll just connect. So it blinks, okay, the green signal. So that means it is connected. So if you can see, the Mobilife is connected on my mobile. Okay. So once it is connected, if I want to take a selfie of for myself, whatever. Okay. See. Okay. So I will just click this button over here. It captured it. I'm not sure if you can see. You can see the photo. So this is a cool feature. You can use it for the other purposes also, not only on this tip, because you can remove it from here. The best side is that you can remove it from here and you can use it for other purposes also. It becomes very handy. Okay, so this is what I like about the Mobilife selfie stick. You can fix it over here also, and then you can take selfies like this. Suppose you want to extend it, you can extend. It's a 64 inches, guys. Okay, you can extend it, see, and you can do your, so I see. So I can take my photo. So this is how you can take your photos and the stuff. So this I'll show you how long it goes. Okay, next part. So guys, this is aluminum body. Okay, if you can see, this is a metal and this is ABS plastic. So this comes with a tripod also. This is an tripod. You have to open this over here like this. So like this, you can open this and you can put it anywhere and then you can shoot. Okay, so you have to remove this when you are using from the long distance. Okay, so you have to remove this. So guys, if you want to know exact length, okay, so this is an ruler, 15 centimeters ruler. You can see here, from here, one, it reaches over here. Okay, from here. So it is not exactly 30 centimeters, around 2 centimeters less. So it is around 28 centimeters, the length. So then guys, if you want to remove this mobile holder, you can remove this. You have to just unscrew this. So once this is removed, you can pull this way, and then you can put this 1/4 inches screw mount. So on here you cannot get any camera. Okay, this is a universal mount screw. Okay, so this is how you can do this. If you can see this, I'm standing over here. I am around 175 centimeters tall, and if you can see this is a 64 inches. So guys, these are the specs of the Mobileye selfie stick. So here is my final review of this selfie stick. Having used it for so far, it has been good overall. However, I encountered an issue when I tried to take a selfie near a lake on a windy day. The tripod wasn't stable, and to prevent it from shaking, I had to place it close to my car for support. I feel that if the tripod had 4 legs instead of 3, its stability would have been much better. And that's it for today's unboxing and review of Mobileye long selfie stick with reinforced tripod stand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting reviews. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in next video. Take care.